Give me a word, spit it. Rapping about and talking about the fucking weed. My brain so gone. You think I need a fucking shrink? I don't think about, I don't know about. Yo, bitch, get blown up about me on my cell phone like 9/11 when the tower cell service out. Heard about what I spray, what I say, weed rap. So all I need right now is a rap, cause I got the weed. Now if you got some raps, holla back. What the fuck is that shit? When I need some shit and it's medicinal. My medicine clears my throat like ahem. Gentlemen, please don't step to this shit when I'm smoking on the resin. Well, the resin is weed and I'm spitting like it's venom, and venomous as I do while I'm wearing the blue venoms. I ain't talking jeans. And I holla when I got your bitch, and you know your girl wanna squeal. And yeah, I'm on my presidential, so I'm on my steez with a full clip, peel off, no banana. And I handle my shit while you handle the bitch, but I tell her go home, but she can't handle this. My flow is so gone. Intangible shit. Like if you could touch it, you wouldn't be able to manage it. A mannequin, damn it then. My flow is amazing. I'm burning, I'm hotter than lanterns and anvils and candles and lanyards. The shit that I do is like Jesus. I'm walking on water with sandals. I'm going up out of the volume. I'm hearing right now while you turning it down. Running up in, you running back out. What the fuck are you just thinking about doing now? P-U-S-S-Y. You flip that. UPS, I ship you too, goodbye. Your address, lost off, fall off, fucked up with Hitler, Swiss you know, Holocaust, it's the house, up in air, up in airs, got you snared. Are you aware of what you're gonna wear? Bitch, I don't motherfucking care. I'm always swagged out, all I rap about, it's spectacular. I'm gonna bite your head, but I'm not Dracula, and I'm back to kill you, that's what's up.